Yeah, welcome to FSpreneur Global Limited. And today is 16th of December 2022. And this is an update on what we analyze beginning of this particular month. We told you what is going to happen, having known that market will be a little slow. So I have not been doing my daily update. So I only do update when they need be, simply because the market is being very, very slow and sluggish right now. All right. So but then we notice there's kind of some good movement within the week on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. All right. We had movement Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, Thursday. So and that is why this particular update is coming up right now. Now we're going straight up to our dollar index. We analyze that we will see this particular market push to this downside to take away this liquidity. That was why I put this what we call this year that will be expected to see the sell stop rate. All right. So we are able to get it right now. Then this is pulling back, trading into a fair value gap, and of course, we'll see expect them to get down to this level. But then if you watch clearly, you will see if you go to 4 hours, you see this. Let's go to 4 hours. I will be as fast as I can. So we'll have this that's actually trade into this level, and here we'll have the block here. So after this block, now market tapped into this block, and market is supposed to come back down to this level here. But as you can see, market is still pushing to the upside. But if this market, what we'll be looking at is if we say this happens, if this market breaks this level, take away this high, that means if this market goes up like this and break this level, we'll be expecting a little push down, then to go to the upside to continue this projection as it had been done. But then we are being positive that this market will hit this level, then still find a way to come down here before they'll go to the upside. So we're watching two things. If it gives us a full setup here to sell, we'll sell. If it doesn't give us setup to sell, of course, we expect them to go to the upside, take away this liquidity, and give us a pullback, then we'll go to the upside with it. Now, what we must know is this market is supposed to come back down here before going to the upside. But if they go up here and break above this level, then we will be changing our bias to the upside. That is what I want to update on this particular chart. So possibly I have to draw it now. So I'll be expecting them to do this just as they've done, back to this level, then give us something like this down here, then give us this particular push to the upside, right? To go in line with what we have analyzed. But if we see that this market did not give us fully that which we have analyzed, as in it did not, when it gets here, it has a kind of objection that made it to still come back to make it maybe a need or whatever that push it above this level, then if it breaks a sort of the upside, then we'll be looking at coming to this particular level here before coming down. That is this, like this. If it goes up, boom, we'll be expecting a pullback here, then to attack this level. Then from here, before we start looking for a way to come back down here, then from here, we'll go then up. So this is what I will be expecting from this particular chart. So that is why I felt it's necessary we update ourselves to see what we're actually anticipating that will happen on this particular chart. And that is why you trade what you see, you don't trade what you feel. So for the fact that you be given direction of where the market is headed does not mean you should just jump in. And now this is what we analyze on our Euro USD. But what I told you that Euro USD was going to do this, hit this level. As you can see, guys, it came and hit the level. So we'll have this particular push to the upside, then we'll have it hit this level. And what else are we expecting? A pull to the downside. All right. So this analysis is still perfect. So we're still looking at this analysis delivering because it's still perfect. Then the next one is GBPUSD. GBPUSD played out also as analyzed. We analyze that, want to see it come up to this level here and give us this to downside. As you can see, guys, we're still having this coming to downside just as we analyze. So it's still playing out just as we analyze from the beginning of the month. Then also we're going to gold. Gold also we analyze that this was going to happen in gold. As you can see, guys, we have the push to the upside. All right, from there we start having it coming down. So and it's still playing just as we analyze. And so our analysis still remain the same. All right. Now I'm doing this so that you can see the one that didn't play out and then kind of fix it right. So this is AUD/USD. AUD/USD we analyze that it's going to go to the upside, all right, and then pull back down to come to this level. So it did went to the upside, but it didn't come back down. So what it did, it went to the upside and they built a kind of the contract here. They went up, took away this liquidity, all right, to this level. So from here now, we should be expecting them going to downside. So updating this now, what are we then looking at? This fair value gap, this has actually entered here. So I would like to see this market do this. It has entered this fair value gap. So I want to see them see come back down, hit this level here, or possibly here. Then break it through to the upside, go to the upside, tap into this fair value gap here. Once it hit here, I was expecting to go to downside. This is what I'm expecting from this particular pair. Then the next one is USD card. USD card perform as we expected. That's actually hit this level here, and they begin to gather contract around here. So we're going to go to higher time frame to see what USD card have for us. This is a block on higher time frame. USD card here breaks this structure to the upside, come back, tapped into this fair value gap, and to take away this particular high. And take out the particular high. So we keep expecting this guy to get to this level here. So we should be expecting a pull from this level here. Then we can now expect a pullback to this level before a push on the upside. So that is what I'll be expecting to see from this particular chart. So the next one is USD/CHF. This is the one that actually went directly opposite to our direction because we really wanted to see this guy come into this fair value gap then before going down. So it has been actually gathering control to the downside, and this market has not really moved the way it ought to. Yes, we were expecting them to pull back to this level before coming to this particular level, of course. But then as you can see, this guy went down, they kept gathering contract down to that level here. But then they have not really done much here. So I will still be expecting to see something like this happen, all right, before I will now look for something downside. Now, let's go. This is daily time frame. And this daily time frame, I have also another block here. I have another block here. So I will be expecting to see this market go to the upside. Give me a reason to go to this upside here. Then come back down, tap into this, then come here, tap into this before any further pull to downside. That is what I'll be expecting from this. Then the next one is NZD/USD. NZD/USD is performing very well as it was analyzed, as you guys can see. So we are still in this particular analysis the way it was analyzed. Another one is NASDAQ. NASDAQ is giving us 100% delivery. It's coming down to this level here. From here now, we should be targeting this level to this upside. Then we'll have US30, and US30 has actually gone up to this level where we pointed out that it's going to hit. So even went up and took away this liquidity to the upside. All right, after sweeping this liquidity, it dropped down. And so now what are we then expecting from this? We should be expecting any push like this, anything that will make market come back to this particular fair value gap. All right, then we should start targeting the downside. This is what I'll be expecting to see. Now, this may not likely give us this today because this is actually on daily, all right? But then here, because we'll have a fair value gap there, so we should be expecting to see all this really happen, right? This is what we'll be expecting. So today we may have this, tomorrow we're going to have a trade back into this fair value gap. Then we'll start looking for a sell to downside. All right, so this is what we'll be expecting from this particular pair. Okay, and this is what we draw the curtain on today's analysis. So I want to say thank you very much for still being part of FSPG and always help us with propaganda this, let people get to understand that we are good at what we do and also they can take training with us. And I want you guys to also know that anyone can take training from us without whether you are in Abuja or anywhere you are. So here, this is a USDJPY. Sorry, USDJPY also. Oh, it has not really moved much. This was where it was when we analyze. As you can see, market is still dangling around here. So we still expect them to see come back and hit this level. All right. When they hit this level, before we know the next way forward. Then we also have this, which is this is GBPJPY. I had two buyers there that day. I told these guys that I will be expecting to see this one happen. That is my first bias, and then this was my second bias. So as you can see, they took the first bias, right? And now ahead, we'll be looking forward to sell this market to downside to come down to come and trade into this fair value gap and also get mitigated by the other block here. Then from here, we'll be looking to go to the upside. So guys, thank you very much and do have a perfect trading festivity month. Thank you.